Hello everyone, dear friends. Welcome to this channel. In this video, I will tell you how you can find out who is visiting your profile in Instagram app. Friends, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Be sure to put your likes and please write your comments after watching this video. Alright, let's go ahead and get started. And please open up the Instagram app on your device. Next, you're going to need to go to your account. And first of all, definitely you will need to switch to the professional account. To do that, you'll need to go to Settings. And then you'll need to scroll through the menu and find the option to switch to an account. Once you've selected the professional account and switch to it, you will see this gray frame, which will indicate that you are already on a professional account. And now you'll be able to see some statistics related to your Instagram profile. Let me say right away that unfortunately, Instagram doesn't have a feature whereby you can see the profiles or names of people who have visited you. But you can see the number as well as age statistics. To do this, you can open, for example, any of your photos or videos on your account. Then click right here to see the interested part. And here you can see how many people, for example, went to your profile, whether they were subscribers or not. And you can also see other statistics. Also, dear friends, you can open the same gray box, and here you can see different statistics, how many people on average view your account and other information. This is how you can find out who is visiting your Instagram profile. I really hope you found this video useful. Please don't forget to put your likes and write comments. See you, friends.